Daniel, and I'm here to tell you a story. It's a really great story and it happened to me and 3 of my friends. Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. Yes, Abednego.
Oh no! Shadrach, what kind of name is that? Meshach, who has a name like that? Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. Oh no! Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego lived in Judah a long time ago. They had funny names and they lived far away, but they set an example you can follow today. This is the story that you want to know about Shadrach. What kind of name is that? Meshach. Who has a name like that? Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. Oh no! This is the story that you want to know about Shadrach. What kind of name is that? Meshach. Who has a name like that? Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. Abednego. Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. Learn some lessons they want you to know. They did crazy things, but it worked out okay. 'Cause they knew it was right and they knew what to say. This is the story that you want to know about Shadrach. What kind of name is that? Meshach. Who has a name like that? Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego. Abednego.
Well, as I was saying, this story happened when my friends and I lived in Jerusalem.
It seems the people of the country were tired of paying tribute to the king of Babylon, the country next to ours.
So we stopped paying taxes, which was fine for us, but not so good for the king next door.
We didn't know too much about this neighbor of ours, except that his name was Nebuchadnezzar. We heard that he'd done great things for this country. And we also heard he had a very bad temper.
What do you mean they aren't going to pay taxes anymore? Of course they are going to pay them. What makes them think they can just stop paying taxes just because they don't like it? Well, we'll see who doesn't pay taxes anymore. Get my horses, get my army, get out of my way. We're going to Judah.
Nebuchadnezzar did come to Judah, and there was a terrible battle,
And we were all taken prisoner.
and made to go live in Babylon.
So far
bad one. We found out that King Nebuchadnezzar really wasn't such a bad king after all. He gave us a nice place to live.
Yay!
Yep.
He sent us to school.
He gave us nice clothes.
Yay! And he gave us all nice, neat haircuts.
He offered us goodies from his dinner table.
Yay!
No. Our folks had taught us not to eat any of that kind of food. So we taught the palace guards and don't let us have the type of food we've been taught to eat at home.
Then later, when we were called before the king, he told us that we were the most strongest and wisest of all the boys he captured.
He was very pleased with us.
Yay! Which just goes to show
It pays
to remember what you learned at home.
It pays to remember what you learned at home. All of your days, it pays. It pays. Yes, it pays to remember what you learned at home. All of your days, it pays. It pays. Yes, it pays to remember. It pays to remember all your days. It pays. It pays. It pays to remember what you learned at home. All of your days, it pays. It pays. Yes, it pays to remember what you learned at home. All of your days, it pays. It pays. Yes, it pays to remember. It pays to remember all your days. It pays. It pays. When you're out in the world and feeling blue, and you're getting off more than you can chew, there's sure one thing to help you through. Just remember this phrase. Remember it pays. It pays to remember what you learned at home. All of your days, it pays. It pays. Yes, it pays to remember what you learned at home. All of your days, it pays. It pays. Yes, it pays to remember. It pays to remember all your days. It pays. It pays. When you got to decide what you should do, but those doubts are all that nag at you. You better slow down and think it through. Just remember this phrase. Remember it pays. It pays to remember what you learned at home. All of your days, it pays. It pays. Yes, it pays to remember what you learned at home. All of your days, it pays. It pays. Yes, it pays to remember. It pays to remember all your days. It pays. Yes, it pays to remember. It pays to remember all your
Everything was going fine until one night the king had a bad dream.
It frightened him so much that he woke up.
But then he couldn't remember what he had dreamed.
That made him angry.
And you know Nebuchadnezzar can get very angry.
Oh, everybody, I've had a bad dream. No, not just a bad dream, but a nightmare. And I haven't had a wink of sleep since 3 o'clock in the morning. And if I can't have any sleep, neither can anybody else. Oh, get the magicians, get the sorcerers, get the astrologers, get my wise men, get my mommy, and get them now.
They kept scurrying from everywhere.
Bowing and scraping, shivering, and wondering what the king was angry about this time.
It took you long enough to get here. Well, I've had a bad dream, and now I can't remember what it was. So I want you to tell me what I dreamed and what it means. And now, I want to know right now. Now.
All the wise men must have thought they had heard wrong.
Surely, the king didn't expect him to know what he dreamed. Finally, one of the wise men said,
Very politely.
Oh, great and wonderful king, there must be some mistake. You must tell us the dream, and then we can tell you its meaning.
Me tell you? What good are you if I tell you everything? You think I pay you so I can do everything? God, I call you here to tell me 2 things. 1, what I dreamed, and 2, what it means. And if you can tell me those 2 things, I will give you great riches and honor. But if you can't, I will have you chopped up into tiny little pieces. Now get busy.
Sounds like they're going to Heartbreak Hotel.